IELTS Reading True, False, Not Given, 12 Essential Tips and Tricks. Hey everyone! Struggling with true, false, not given questions in the IELTS reading test? You're not alone. These questions can be tricky, but don't worry. In today's video, I'm sharing expert tips and tricks to help you tackle them with confidence and boost your IELTS reading score. Let's get started. Read the instructions carefully. First up, always read the instructions carefully. For true, false, not given TFNG questions, your task is simple. Mark true if the statement agrees with the passage. Mark false if the statement contradicts the passage. Mark not given if there's no information about the statement at all. Pay close attention to these definitions, they're the foundation of your answers. Skim and scan the passage. Start by skimming the passage to understand the main ideas. Then, scan for keywords or phrases related to the statements in the question. Pro tip: use headings, subheadings, or highlighted keywords to quickly locate relevant sections in the text. Read the statement carefully. Now, carefully read each statement. Watch out for qualifying words like always, never, or usually. These words can completely change the meaning of a statement, so don't overlook them. Look for direct evidence. Next, search the passage for direct evidence. If the passage confirms the statement, mark it as true. If the passage contradicts it, mark it as false. And if there's no mention or evidence, it's not given. Remember, TFNG questions are about facts, not opinions. Stick to the text. Avoid inference or assumptions. Here's a big one. Don't assume or infer information. TFNG questions test your ability to rely only on what's explicitly stated in the passage. Anything outside the text? It's irrelevant. Check for synonyms and paraphrasing. The IELTS loves synonyms and paraphrasing. For example, a statement might say students often struggle, but the passage could phrase it as learners frequently find it difficult. Keep an eye out for similar ideas expressed in different words. This is key to finding the right answer. Practice elimination techniques. If you're stuck, use elimination techniques. If the passage contradicts the statement, it's false. If there's no clear evidence supporting or contradicting it, it's likely not given. This approach can save you time and help you make an informed guess. Double-check your answers. After completing the questions, double-check your answers. Ensure every answer is backed by evidence from the passage and that you've interpreted the statements correctly. The order of answers. The answers follow the order of information in the passage for these questions. Other types of reading questions might not have answers that come in order. Finally, practice, practice, practice. Work through IELTS reading practice tests to get familiar with the format and question styles. Consistent practice is the best way to build confidence and accuracy. Before we wrap up, here are some quick pro tips. Manage your time. Don't spend too long on one question. Move on and come back if needed. Beware of traps. Ignore distractors or irrelevant details. Focus on the specific statements in the question. Highlight key information. Underline keywords in both the passage and the questions to keep your focus sharp. By mastering these strategies, you'll be well prepared to tackle true, false, not given questions like a pro. For official IELTS practice tests, visit our website at wieltsworldly.com. Remember, practice makes perfect. And that's it. With practice and these tips, you'll handle TFNG questions with ease. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the IELTS Worldly YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more IELTS tips. Let me know in the comments what IELTS topics you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.